infused with known as an additive. Ano pang ibang inumin o pagkain? Let's take a look at the other side of the beverages. Aside from coffee, what other non-alcoholic beverages? There you go, juices, right? O, di ba, yung fresh juice talaga, galing naman talaga sa fruit, isn't it? Eh, ang dami na yung juice ngayon, nakalagay pa sa ano eh. Sa mga bote, di ba? Merong mga C3, C2, C5. No, C5, flyover anyway. Or C4, C2, I guess, that would be part of the not fresh juice. You can consider fresh juice, but not a fresh one, sorry. Now, the reason why I have this comparison for you to know what is coffee is all about. Okay, guys? So, I guess you have your professor here, let me start with it. I have my associate. No. It's going up. Alright. I have my associate, Edward. Wait, will be